Hey, what's up, guys? It's Cliff with Peck Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today we're gonna be working in Riverview, Florida. We're gonna be doing a driveway cleaning here for this customer. Cool thing about this job is this was my first job I ever done when I started pressure washing. This was 4 seasons ago. This is my 5th season, so this was, give or take, late 2019, early 2020. Like I said, my very first job. Didn't have nearly the experience or equipment that I have now. I'll post it for you guys so you can see the equipment I had back then in my white little van. Me and my son Eli did this job here. It took us so long to do this driveway, y'all. It was just a 2-car garage driveway sidewall package, and no lie, it probably took us about a good 4 hours, maybe in 5. That day everything went wrong. Like I said, it was my first job. I didn't know what I was doing. I was pre-treating with a pump-up sprayer. It rained on us. We had to stop. We ran out of gas. We had to go get gas. The pressure washer, I had to unload it on and off the van and drag it around. I didn't have a downstream injector. My surface cleaner was too big for my pressure washer at the time. I mean, you name it. So 4 years later, customer called me and asked me to do it again, so we're gonna do it again today. So it's very special to me. So if you guys haven't yet, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you like, leave a comment if you got any questions. I hope y'all enjoying the video and the channel, everything I put out. Y'all stay tuned. All right, so this is the sidewalks here. Like I say, 4 years, y'all. Look at the stripes on here I had. I don't even know if I post-treated this, y'all. I don't even know if I knew about post-treating. You guys can see it's pretty bad, pretty dirty. Rookie mistakes. And then when I cleaned it, it didn't look like it had stripes, but once it started getting dirty, the stripes started appearing. So today we're gonna make it look how it's supposed to. We're gonna put a little bit of pre-treatment on here to start off. I got me a M5 twist, finally, a little toy. Finally got me a M5 twist combo with the shooter tip. Just a little toy, you know, to play with. I got this yesterday down here in Tampa at the Texas Pressure Washing Store, Tampa. That's in Tampa here, and they just opened in the summer. Got that sharp shooter. I got the 10 to 12 GPM shooter tip. That's this one here, but I can use it for the 8 as well. And it's not gonna hurt anything. And this M5 twist, it goes from 7 to 12. So yeah, we're gonna give it a try and see how it works. Y'all stay tuned. So we got it pre-treated. I don't have a lot of soap in my SH. I didn't put none in there. I just picked up this SH a couple of days ago, so I didn't have time to put the surfactant in there. So that's why you guys see it's not really sudsy today. I'll probably do it after the day. I got a half a tank. So we're gonna put y'all on the surface cleaner cam and start cleaning from the door area. I'm moving on to the driveway. Let me move these mats. Okay, so now we got the driveway and the sidewalks done. I'm gonna give it a good rinse. I will post treat this time, just in case, because I mean, we wait 4 years anyway. There's nothing you can't really do about that, but we are gonna post treat this one here today just to make the job look way better. So let's get going. Okay, now that we got the driveway clean, you know, rinsed off, like I said, I'm gonna put a post treatment on here. You kind of see a little faint lines right now, still wet. You're not gonna pop out like that when it's dry, but to help them go all the way out, I can see a little bit right here too. I'm gonna go ahead and post treat it with a 5% mix. If you're downstream, your post treatment sometimes is not strong enough. I like to do a 5% just to be in and out. You don't have to worry about it, you know, the spots or the stripes staying there. The 5 would definitely take it out. You can do it a pump up if you want, but I'm not gonna pump up this whole driveway and sidewalk. My 12 volt is ready to go. All right, let's go. Just put a nice layer on here. No need to rinse it. It'll just dry up in the concrete and brighten it up. Okay, final look. Everything's done, cleaned. Took my time with it. So let's go check it out. Sidewalk here is post treated. Like I said, we're not rinsing the post treatment. Once it dries, everything will be uniform and white. That spot doesn't come out. Not sure what it is. Looks like some old oil stain. They used to have a truck here that didn't move for a while. But driveway's cleaned up pretty good. And the walkway here, looking pretty good. See them lines I had there starting to go away? It was right here. Well, all right, y'all, that's it for today. I like that M5 twist. Use it for in a house first before I give you guys my true, review on it. And also I'll do a little test too as far as the Davis shooter tip that I have. Although it's been, I had it for 3 years. I'm gonna see if it shoots further than this sharp shooter tip. Do a little test, you know what I'm saying? Just something for the channel. Y'all have a good one. Enjoy the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell so you know when I put up a new video. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace.